Anthony. Chew. Who's ready to start eating? Who's ready to start eating? Show Mommy. Yeah, chew, chew, chew. Chew, chew. Hello. There we go. I'm ready for salads, Mom. I'm ready for salads. I just ate my first book, Snuggle Puppy. I chewed through it. I chewed through Snuggle Puppy. Snuggle Puppy. Snuggle Puppy. Snuggle Puppy. Give me the camera, Mom. I'm going down for a nap. Love you. Love you. Who's the Scoopy baby?